Now, the United States auto industry is assessing how much better off it is going to be. Now that Phase 1 trade agreement has been signed by the U.S. and China, there's certainly benefits for American car makers. China has agreed to suspend tariffs that would have hurt U.S. manufacturers, as well as agreeing to buy more U.S. car parts. But no one's exactly clear just how much extra money Beijing is going to allocate to the auto industry. Nick Harper reports from Washington.
For consumers and car enthusiasts, the annual Washington Auto Show is one of the best places to see the latest models on the market. But beneath the shiny exterior, the US auto industry has been very concerned for the last 18 months throughout the whole of the US-China trade dispute. It's been a rocky road for manufacturers, with tariffs on both sides increasing costs for companies. But now, with the Phase 1 trade deal finally signed, the way ahead looks much smoother. China has committed to buy an extra $200 billion of US goods over the next 2 years, and that includes manufactured goods, namely autos and auto parts. China has also suspended a 25% tariff on US-made vehicles. A group of experts at the auto show who've been exploring the issues agreed it all seems like good news, but with purchase targets not set, meaning no one knows exactly how much of that $200 billion Beijing will decide to spend on the US auto industry, uncertainty still remains.
We have a commitment by China to dramatically increase U.S. manufactured automobiles and parts, and that's great. And we currently have a suspension, and I want to put quotes around that, of the tariffs on imports, so that's great. But I'm not sure how much stability we really have. So again, as a near-term indicator, watch what the Chinese do on their tariffs.
However, a representative from the Commerce Department pointed out that it doesn't end here. With Phase 2 of the trade deal still needing to be negotiated, he sees huge potential for growth in the months and years ahead.
There are tremendous opportunities there on both sides. We obviously have a car culture here. People do things to their car, they change it, they add things, they add parts to their car, and that culture is growing in China. I mean, the market for wire wheels or stereo systems, you name it. So we see real opportunities there.
The difficulties of the last year and a half might now be in the rearview mirror, but the US auto industry is still waiting for clarity and the hope that China will further reduce tariffs on auto parts. Nick Harper, CNA, Washington.